Bells of Ireland are such a lush, such a vibrant annual foliage crop. I love growing them, and they're so prolific. This one plant easily has 15, 20 different stalks, and take a look at this one stalk. It's fairly ludicrous. Look at all of these branches, and each of these branches have their own bells. And so if I were to harvest this one top bract, all of a sudden that energy would go into these lower ones. So each of these lower ones can become a full-size bract as well. And so we are about to stake our Bells of Ireland. It's mid-July. I highly recommend it, especially if you have really fertile soils, a lot of nitrogen in your soil especially, or feeding with a lot of nitrogen. And they make a marvelous filler as a dry flower as well as a fresh flower. And if you're harvesting them for a fresh flower, you want to harvest them when the bells are just forming, about half open, and you want to be sure to take off all of the leaves because they quickly turn yellow. They'll easily last a week in a vase, 2 weeks if you have floral preservative, and if you're growing them for a dried flower, as I find myself wanting them to look at all winter, you want to harvest them when the bells are firm to the touch. So enjoy your Bells of Ireland, friends, and yes, I can say no more.